Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, hey guys, we're going to have a quick little market update. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average chart, guys. I was doing my analysis this morning when I was doing my trading this morning, like I normally do, and I noticed by looking at the Dow Jones, I can see that especially for the last say month, the Dow Jones has had, you can see here, right? You can see how the Dow Jones has had a lot of problems closing below and having a lot of support through there. Since breaking below, now obviously below that we had another down day today. Really, you can see this volume is starting to obviously increase through there. But in any event, guys, by looking at that and by looking at the Dow Jones, you can see that since it's on the short term anyway. The reason why I'm mumbling my words right now is because there's so much to the Dow Jones. There's that weekly chart, right? With this whole thing being a false breakout. There's the lower peaks breaking down, and then now you got the smaller picture here, which that's actually breaking down now. We're getting more down movement as well too. Let's actually make that red to make it more legit. so you can see what's happening there on the Dow Jones. And as you can see, guys, there's so much you can derive from the actual truth, which is the chart. So very, very weak sign for the Dow Jones. Moving forward, S&P, another down day as well too. Close to 1% or just a bit over 0.5%. Not really a lot there, but guys, the really interesting thing is you got to keep an eye on this. Is look at this here. Look at the increase in volume. Massive increase in volume as this market's been selling off. And once again, guys, you got this whole thing through here. And the really interesting part is that the Dow Jones had a lot, S&P had a lot of problems breaking past here. Now we broke past, and bam, this is where we're at right now. Once, twice, we're breaking down, and as you can see, we've been breaking down ever since. And you guys know I've been pointing this out to you for the last few months as well too. Moving on to the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq has been just absolutely crazy week. Look at that. Look at this selling volume here, guys. There is so much selling volume here. Get out of the markets if you're bullish. I've been screaming this for quite some time, but get out. All right. So get out if you are bullish in these markets, because that's just, there is nothing here that is bullish about these markets, guys. Okay, look at that selling volume coming in. Look at the market that the Nasdaq's had 1, 2, 3, 4, bit of a sideways day, 5, 6. So Nasdaq's basically had 6 or 7 down days in a row with selling volume, guys. The Nasdaq is ready to crap itself. All right, let's continue moving on through here. Let's go to the SPY. We know what's happening with the S&P. We know what's happening with the QQQ. I'm actually in QQ. I'm actually in SPY and QQQ. So I'm actually enjoying this movement, by the way. So just for you guys that are been following me, as you guys know, I'm in both of these markets. So what I have is, I'll just let you guys know, is on SPY I have a non-directional trade. So if this thing drops 10%, I'm gonna make some good money. And same for the QQQ, I have a non-directional trade. But then also on the QQQ, it was around about, when was it? Back here somewhere. No, somewhere here. I put on an actual short position. It was only a small position of my account, but I have actually I am actually on a short position on the Nasdaq, and I have been back here on that. So again, guys, it's only a smaller positions, but I have much larger positions on things like the VIX has been going really well for me lately, and so on and so forth. Talking about the VIX, look at the VIX spike. And as you guys know, right, I've been talking about the VIX for quite some time, and as of before, I have a much larger position on the VIX, and the VIX has been giving me some nice returns lately, and I think it's going to continue moving forward. Transportation average actually had a pretty big buying, pretty big volume spike there, but really nothing much going on with the price action. The one that's really interesting, guys, is the Russell 3000 breaking down now. And again, look at that volume. Look at all this volume coming in this last week, guys. Oh, I tell you what, something is about to happen. Something is, and I had on my YouTube videos, when I said that, I think it was yesterday, they go, John, nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's gonna happen. What are you talking about? It's like, it's not, is it gonna happen? It's happening. It's already happening. The charts are already things are starting to get heat up. Look at the volume. Look at the markets moving, right? And going on to the Nasdaq, to the Russell 2000. Look at this market come down. Guys, if you're in the whole thing about the plunge protection team, the plunge protection team's not going to let this thing go down. Or where have they been when like the Russell 2000, where the Russell 2000, this thing has dropped, a good 5% or more from the highs to where we are now. We're looking at like an 8% move. Where's the plunge protection team there? So guys, if you believe in the whole plunge protection team, it's gonna keep it up and stuff like that, it's like, don't listen to that. That's bullshit. Absolutely bullshit, guys. All right, because I think a lot of people say that because maybe they're bullish in the markets and they're hoping the plunge protection team is gonna keep it up for them. I don't think so, guys. Read the chart, and then that'll help you through there. So anyway, guys, it's a quick look at the indexes. To show you what's going on there. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.